I'm about to review for you the #1 VPN for Mac. Now guys, this is only my opinion, but it's a very good opinion, and there's a link down below to get you the most exclusive deal on the internet right now. So if you want to see what it is, let's roll the video. Now guys, before I dive into the price of this, it is Surfshark, okay? That link down below is going to get you that exclusive deal. I want to just go straight into how it looks on Mac. This is how it looks, okay? Do have to update the app to get the new multi-hop function. Multi-hop I will talk about. But guys, this is how it looks. Now we have all of the locations down straight away on the left-hand side. So if you want to just pick a location of your choice, you can simply connect like that. What it's going to do is attempt to connect like this, and it'll use 8 attempts. Look how fast that was on Mac, guys. All right, all I've done is literally took me less than 30 seconds to click the extension, open it up, and connect to where I want to. Now, it's not just for the United States. I'm in France right now, okay? You can set this up for the fastest location by clicking fastest location, all right? Disconnects from what you were on, and then simply connects you to the fastest location of your choice. I'm assuming this will be France, okay? Again, yeah, it is France. Now, you could do nearest country, and again, I am in France right now, so whether it connects me to that or the nearest one to France, then you will see very, very shortly. So it's going to connect me now to Belgium, which is the nearest country to France, right? The nearest server to it. And again, you can go all the way through these countries. So we can see that this is super fast, right? We just connected to 3 locations all around the world in less than 2 minutes. Guys, super easy. Now, if you want to have a static IP for this, you can choose the static IP. So if I want to go to Japan, Tokyo, and serial number 17, I can use that static IP and it will do the same thing. It'll connect. Why does it say connect in 1 out of 8? Purely because it gives 8 attempts for things like Netflix and that try and block IP's address. 8 attempts to connect. If it doesn't, it will change IP. Guys, I absolutely love Surfshark, especially for Mac. All right, if you want to go with the settings and everything, all you got to do is click on here and go down and have a look. But let me show you some of the features. So the reason this is the best for Mac, all right, is because it has a clean web feature, it has an unlimited device feature, and we know how Apple works. It likes to connect everything on all your different products. Well, you can with Surfshark as well. Connect them all the way through, like it says there, iOS and Mac, okay? Super, super easy. It's got the bypasser feature where it allows specific apps and websites to bypass the VPN. We use strict no logs policy, kill switch, private DNS, no borders, browse privately, camouflage mode, changing your IP encryption, secure protocols, and of course, verified security. You can actually read of all the audits online. Guys, it is the winning side when it comes to the number of devices, the ad blocker, the bypasser, and all the different independent audits. So what now? I want to show you the pricing of this. If you hit that link down below, you're actually going to get the most incredible deal. Not only are you going to get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's a free trial, okay? Let me show you this in dollars, okay? A free trial. This is actually going to only be $2.30. Not only that, yes, there's another thing. You're getting 2 months for free, and guys, you can only get this by hitting that link down below. So for 24 months, $2.30, 2 months for free, 30-day money-back guarantee. You're saving 82%. Hit get started right now, and let's do this. Hit that link down below to get involved. There you go, guys. Do me a favor, hit that link down below to get that exclusive deal over at onlyvpns.net. And do me a favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you next time.